Hello guys, this is Elle from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have a tutorial about how to create beautiful pins on Tailwind Create. I'm not quite sure if you have used Tailwind Create, but you should. It's very simple and you can create beautiful pins very quickly, and also it's helping you to optimize your Pinterest marketing. So let's start. When you sign up, you go to Tailwind Create, and then as you can see here, I download, you press here, upload photos. I download a couple of photos, and also you can search for stock photos by Tailwind, and also you can upload here your blog post or a link of your specific blog post or your website, or it's good if you want to create a link for a specific blog post. Just put it over there and then put the name, like how to create. You can always change that, guys. It's just an example how to create beautiful pins on Tailwind Create. Then when I create, so then we do create the image, press this one, and as you can see here, straight away you have. Don't forget that when you start, you can create your branding. Just put the color of your branding, for example. You can put your logo when you first started, your website, as you can see here. And then you have the color palettes. Again, I add a couple of colors from a brand, but also you can change it any times. And also, again, as I say here, text. You can press the text, and then as you can see here, you can change the font and or add the text, something here, or the photos. Again, you can download, you can delete, as I said before. So you have everything here on the left hand side, design settings. So as you can see here, the beautiful pins, and there is plenty different ones to choose. I'm just trying to show you a couple of ones. And as you can see, some of them, they're different ones. They're very beautiful, guys. You don't know, it's different to select. And as you can see here, the button say edit, for you to edit the pin or select, and you can download it. I actually like this one, and this one is beautiful. I mean, all of them, they're beautiful, let's be honest. Let's take this one. We can edit this one. And now you can see inside the edit, when you can check, as you can see here, you can add titles, a text, or a call to action. On the left hand side, again, the text. The elements, again, if you want to rectangular, as you can see, you have different options. It's very easy to use, and you can do it like in seconds. To be honest with you, the pins are so beautiful from my point of view. I just change the colors, and if you ever try it, I'll put the link below. Try it, you will enjoy it, and it's so easy to make. Also, the right hand side here, as you can see, you have the layout. You see, you can grow, you see the text size. I make it a little bit smaller. The shadow, if you can see, it's different color. You see it? It's like shadow. You know what I mean? At the back, the layout of the text, if you can see it, is very good for call to actions. It's really easy. Look at that. It's so beautiful. And here you have it like normal. The line high, how like one. You can try this, the letter space, and then you can do different ones. This is a simple one. You can always, you see, you have the branding here. You can increase the branding if you want. It's really simple. You can save that design, and you can use it again and again. You can duplicate the pin, and as I say, download the image straight to your computer, and then you can use it. Something else that I wanted to say is the colors. Where's the colors? Okay, let's go back. And again, as you can see here, any number of photos. I will show you how many they're beautiful. They're so beautiful and it's very easy. So I wanted to show you how to change the color. For example, I have some of my branding. We can do that. So we click on the colors here and it's going to change all of it. It's a bit slow. So you can choose beautiful ones. You see, it's changing it to this. Select a palette. Look how beautiful there are. My God, it's beautiful. So you can change it to any different colors. Actually, I like this one. So you select this one. If you want to, you download it and it's ready to go. If you really check how easy, how easy it is to do it, and you can also change here verbatim and look at that beautiful design. I mean, come on, maybe I select this one because I like it actually, and we can change it later. We can edit it. You can select, you can see different ones. You see automatically straight away changing the branding colors, and you have so many colors to choose. So you really should try Tailwind Create, and don't forget that it's helping you optimizing your pins. It helps you to make many pins, and also it helps you to optimize your Pinterest marketing, so, and also your pins. So you have really beautiful designs in less than 5 minutes, and then you can focus on your Pinterest marketing. So that's it for me today. I will leave the link below so you can try it. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I wish you well.